Hi, this month we are celebrating Article 12, the right to be listened to and taken seriously, linked to October, because there's a few things that are probably going on in your school linked to any pupil voice elections. That could be school council or different groups that people have in school, like Eco Committee or digital rights groups or Crew Cymraeg. We welcome you celebrating your chance to be listened to and taken seriously. So a few ideas of activities. You could think about how young people are listened to in your school, and that could be listened to by teachers, by teacher helpers or the headmaster. Maybe you could think about some top tips of how a school could do this even better. It could be working with the school council to think about things they want to achieve that year, set some plans. It could be thinking about how you are listened to outside in the playground. It could be thinking about how you're listened to now in the new curriculum, and schools are doing great at this, at children setting their own targets and also thinking about how they can be involved in the curriculum.